Kif smajtu qabel, dis-sena kellna l-opportunità kbira li ndoqqu u nkantaw ma' Joseph Calleja. U kienet esperjenza inkredibbli għalina u waħda mill-isbaħ momenti ta' dak il-lejl kien meta daqqejna id-diska Hallelujah u ħanerġgħu ndoqqilkom il-lejla nispera li tieħdu gost biha.
I heard there was a secret chord that David played, and it plays a lot. But you don't really care about music, do you? It goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fourth, the major left, the baffled king. Your faith was strong, but you need a pro. You saw her bedding on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to a kitchen chair, she broke your throat and she cut your hair. From your lips she wrote a hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
Grazzi ħafna, narawkom iktar tard. Grazzi.